Hey guys, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Shell Northgate project, which is located on Hennur Main Road, Bangalore. So this is the view of project from the main entrance gate. This project is built across 2 acres of land and offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It carries 2 blocks having 5 floors each and total comprises of 152 number of units. So now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So here comes the living room with fantastic wooden work. With tiles flooring. So this is the dining hall area. And here comes the modular kitchen. So now this is the utility area. Or we can say the balcony. From here you can take the outside view. Now we are moving towards the bedroom area, and here comes the first bedroom with wardrobe fitting. As you can see, the room is very spacious and skillfully designed. With attached washroom. Now this is the another bedroom area. The spacious bedroom with wardrobe fitting and attached washroom. Here you can see the dressing area. And this is the washroom area. So this we have given you the interior view of a sample flat. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can contact us at the given number. Thank you.